Hey guys, welcome back to another finance tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna compare Revolut Ultra versus Amex Platinum. One is modern, digital first, and cashback focused. The other one is established, luxury driven, and loaded with travel perks. So, which one is better for you? Let's dive into both, break down the fees, perks, and real world value. So by the end, you'll know exactly which one deserves your wallet. Starting with Revolut Ultra, the sleek modern challenger built for tech-savvy lifestyle. What will you get? You will get annual fee of 540 euros per year. That's cheaper than most premium cards in this category. You get cashback up to 10% on hotels, plus 1% back on everyday purchases in selected categories. It also comes with unlimited international transfers at interbank rates, a big deal if you send money abroad often. It also includes digital subscriptions like NordVPN, Tender Gold, Financial Times, ClassPass, and more, all bundled in, potentially saving you over 200 euros a year. You will also get priority customer support, premium metal card, and lounge access for flights via Smart Delay and other partners. What's missing? Fewer loyalty and airline partners. No big travel alliances like Amex has. Limited travel insurance coverage compared to Amex, especially for long or complex trips. No personal concierge service. You will be doing your own bookings and arrangements. Who is it for? If you're digital first, love cashback, and want simple, global-friendly perks without paying top dollar, then Revolut Ultra will deliver you. Now, onto the heavy hitter, the American Express Platinum card. This card is all about luxury, status, and high-end travel experiences. What you will get? Annual fee of 720 euros per year. Yes, I know it's steep, but the perks can make it worthwhile. Massive welcome bonuses, often 30,000 plus points if you meet the spend requirement. You will get access to 1,400 plus airport lounges worldwide via Priority Pass, Centurion Lounges, Delta Sky Club, and more. You will also get premium hotel perks, room upgrades, late checkouts, and breakfast through fine hotels and resorts and the hotel collection. You will also get comprehensive travel insurance for flights, baggage, medical, and even trip cancellations. You will also get concierge service like book reservations, get tickets, planned holidays, like having a personal assistant on the call. The downsides: high annual fee of 720 euros isn't for everyone, especially if you're not traveling often. Rewards are in Amex membership points, which need to be transferred to partners. No direct cashback. Some merchants still don't accept Amex, especially outside Europe and United States. Who it's for? It's basically for luxury travelers, frequent flyers, and everyone who values comfort, service, and top-tier insurance while on the move. Let's compare features side by side. I have 5 categories. Number 1 is fees and value. Revolut Ultra is 540 euros a year, includes digital subscriptions, cashback, and international banking perks. While Amex Platinum is 720 euros a year, includes lounge access, elite hotel benefits, concierge, and insurance. So the winner for budget-conscious luxury is Revolut Ultra, and winner for premium travel value is Amex Platinum. Let's talk about banking and FX features. Revolut Ultra has unlimited free international transfers, real-time exchange rates, multi-currency accounts, while Amex Platinum has no real FX features. It's a traditional credit card with less focus on global transfers. So the clear winner for international banking is Revolut Ultra. Let's talk about travel perks. Amex Platinum has lounge access, hotel upgrades, insurance, concierge, airline transfer partners, while Revolut Ultra has some lounge access, 10% hotel cashback, travel insurance is more basic. Winner for serious travelers is Amex Platinum. Now let's talk about cashback versus rewards. Revolut Ultra gives real cashback up to 10%, straight to your account, no conversions needed, while Amex Platinum is point-based system, great transfer options but more complex. Winner for simplicity and actual savings is Revolut Ultra, while winner for maximizing rewards with efforts is Amex Platinum. Let's talk about user experience and lifestyle perks. Revolut Ultra is app-first digital management, bundled subscription, fast international features, while Amex Platinum is concierge, elite status with travel brands, invitations to exclusive events. So the winner for tech lovers and minimalism is Revolut Ultra, while winner for the lifestyle and prestige is Amex Platinum. So the final verdict: which one should you choose? Let's keep it simple. Pick Revolut Ultra if you want premium experience with modern tools, real cashback, and international features. And you also care about value, digital subscriptions, and managing everything from your phone. And you're also not chasing luxury lounges or elite travel perks. You just want a smart, high-tier debit card with great savings. And you can choose Amex Platinum if you travel frequently, value comfort, and want access to lounges, hotel upgrades, and a top-tier rewards ecosystem. And you're okay with higher annual fee because the perks, if used well, can pay for themselves. And you also like prestige, concierge services, and card that open doors, literally. So in easy words, Revolut Ultra is equal to modern perks, global flexibility, and real cashback, while Amex Platinum is equal to classic luxury, deep travel perks, and versatile rewards. Comment below and let me know, and if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.